Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a focus keyword to your site on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, before I start, let me make a disclaimer. I am currently on the free version of WordPress, and to install plugins, you do need to have a business plan or higher, which I cannot afford, so I'll be doing it without it. Now, I can't install plugins, so I will be referring to another article just to help you guys get through this. But firstly, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going to plugins and going into the marketplace, and the plugin that we're going to install is the all-in-one SEO, and this is the plugin that you want to use, which has the focus keyword or focus key phrase in its settings. And just install this, and once you're done with that, install it and activate it. And once it's here in the left, you'll need to go into the all-in-one SEO settings, and from there on you can add the focus key phrase. Now this is what the menu looks like once you open up these settings, and the focus key phrase is here. Now the focus key phrase is the phrase which you want to rank the highest in search engines, so make sure you set it right and set one that is best for your site. Now, as you can see, there are certain things in your after you enter the key phrase, which are sort of check marks, which denote how optimal your key phrase is. So the four criteria are if it's in the SEO title, if it is in the meta description, if it is of appropriate length, and if it is in the URL. Now, to put the focus in the SEO title, just rename your SEO title to include whatever your focus key phrase is. If it is in the not in the meta description, just add it somehow and it should be good. You can also modify the length, and the required length, or not required but optimal length, is 4 words or less. But I'm pretty sure even 4 words is better than 3 words, so don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure that's the option. And then focus key phrase in URL, also self-explanatory. Modify your URL so that the focus key phrase is in it, and you should be good to go. And that's pretty much it. Once you're done with this, just save your changes, and that should be it. Again, sorry I couldn't show you guys myself. However, I cannot afford the subscription to install plugins, so that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.